Welcome to Narwhal Coding. Today I'm going to show you how to choose a sound. How you choose a sound is you click right here, click on sounds, and you hover over the little microphone with the plus, click on it. It's got all these sounds. And if you want to hear what they sound like, you can hover over this play button right here, and it would play the noise. So there's that one, that. And then it's got categories just like sprites and backdrops. And this one's animals, and it has animal sound. So here's like a meow. And the loops are sort of music made for you. So like this one. And what a sound is, it's just you can put it into your backdrop or sprite and it will play the sound. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and visit our website, narwhalcoding.com.